guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda, and if this is your very first time seeing me, nice to meet you guys. So today what we are doing is the 10-minute tidy up. So that is a huge challenge because, as everybody knows, 10 minutes is not a long time, guys. So I'm actually doing a collab today with Tara from the Johnson's Life. Make sure you go check her out, guys. I will have the link to her channel down in my description box. She does a lot of cleaning videos, guys. That is one of her biggest things. So, of course, you're checking this video out, so you love cleaning. So make sure you go check out her video, guys. That way you can get even more motivated to clean, whether you're needing some cleaning motivation for your whole house, for your kitchen, for any other part of your house. Doesn't matter, but she'll motivate you guys, I promise. So anyways, guys, like I said, today we're doing a 10-minute tidy up. So I will actually be showing you kind of where the mess is. Surprisingly, it is not my living room. I know, shocker, it is not my living room. I'm really surprised my living room is still clean because I cleaned it yesterday. And shockingly, my kids nor my dogs messed it up. So I'm gonna clean that area today. If you are brand new here, make sure that you subscribe. I do lifestyle videos and cleaning videos every week, and I upload twice a week. Occasionally, I will have a third video throughout the week. So if that is something that you like, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscription button. And don't forget to also hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this video, guys. So let's get to cleaning. my 10 minutes finished. Unfortunately, I did not get everything done that I wanted done. As you saw, I did want to clean my shower, and that did not happen. I ran out of time, but at least I got majority of it done, because when you think about it, if you have 10 minutes before somebody's about to come to your house, you want to make sure they got a clean toilet to go to the bathroom in case they got to go to the bathroom. You want to make sure your front bathroom, whether it's the main bathroom or that's just the one that you have all your friends go to when they come visit you, you want to make sure it's clean. At least I know I do. And I'm pretty sure if I would have had to do my living room, I probably would have decided not to fully clean my dining room table and just, I don't know, wouldn't have wiped it down as much as I did, truthfully, because when you got 10 minutes before somebody's going to show up, you have to be very picky and choosy on what you're going to make sure that you clean, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget also to check the description box so we can go check out my friend's channel. Again, her name is Tara, and I hope you go visit her channel and share with her some of your love, guys, because I know y'all have been loving me, and I truly do appreciate it. I am so excited that I have reached a milestone, that I have reached over 100 subscribers. So thank you. Thank every single one of y'all. Don't worry, I will be having a giveaway coming out soon, so make sure that you're subscribed, that way you don't miss out on it, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.